and I'm gonna do this real quick video. Now we are going to be doing a cereal baby bottle. Super easy, super simple. Now if you see my previous video and you've seen all the steps that you have to take, you ain't got to do none of that with this. All right, so all I'm going to be using is this 9-ounce regular baby bottle that I just grabbed from Family Dollar. That was $1. All right, and we're going to just be working with vinyl sticker paper. Usually I use water slide paper, but today we're just going to use vinyl sticker paper. You ain't got to do nothing but peel it off and stick it to the bottle. You don't have to sand the bottle. You don't have to prep the bottle. Now, unfortunately, with this particular bottle, now, like I said, if you've seen my other videos, you know how I like to tape off the measurements and all that good stuff. This one, I cannot do it because if you look real closely, I don't know if you can see, the measurements are engraved into the baby bottle. So if I put epoxy over this baby bottle, it's just going to cover it right up and you're not going to see the measurements at all. It just blend right in. Versus this baby bottle, how it's printed on there, this is what you want. That's how I can cover it up and have the measurements on there if the measurements is printed on there. Now, if it's engraved like this, can't do it. So I'm just going to wrap the vinyl sticker paper all the way around the bottle. So this one will not be able to be used the way I want to. Well, I guess, you know, I'll make it work though. All right, so all I'm going to do is stick the vinyl sticker paper on here and I'll be back. Okay, guys, all I did was wrap the vinyl sticker paper around the bottle. This is what it looks like. Now you can see I was a little off. That's all right because I'm going to make it work. And then I also wrapped the bottle with black electrical tape so we can put our 2 coats of epoxy onto the bottle. Okay, you guys, I am finished with the cereal milk bottle. I'm going to go over what I did. Now, there's 2 coats of epoxy. The first coat is on here. You let it sit for, how long did I let it sit? Oh, I'm sorry, 3 hours. And then you go ahead and you do your second coat. And then you let it sit for about 1 hour and 45 minutes before you remove the black tape. Now, if you forget to remove the black tape and you go ahead and let it sit overnight and let it dry, that's fine. All you gotta do is take your heat gun, go around the neck of the bottle where the black tape is and pull it right off. And what it does is it loosen up that epoxy and it comes off nice and easy. All right, so there you have it, our completed cereal milk bottle.